Hi, Rachel Mesqua here. Happy 4th of July. Thank you so much for agreeing to do the book study with our Avid language and literacy book. So I thought I'd start out with some cute little critters here, and I hope you're having a very fun 4th of July. This video will be quick. I just want to show you some materials that I put together for our book study here in July. So here's our book, Academic Language and Literacy through Avid. I have our Schoology group set up in chapters to go along with the book. I also put in materials from this Avid webpage. So this is the webpage that goes with the book, but you have to have a certain login to get in. So to deal with that, I just took what was important out of the website and put it in the Schoology group. So in the Schoology group, you're going to go to the professional development site. So if you go groups, and then you go Big Mac Professional Development, and then resources, scroll all the way down, and it's the last folder. So Academic Language and Literacy Book Study. Here is our summer teams meeting link. We're going to use the same link for both meetings. One meeting will be on the 16th. The other one will be on the 30th. Those are both Fridays, and it is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I also included an email that Dr. Neal sent. This was in an email titled Planning Days. So I wanted to show you, I highlighted the things that she's asking for in unit planning this year that correlate with our book. So you're welcome to look through that. In the folder book introduction, I put some information about Avid's history, what research Avid is based on. I have a folder for each chapter. Each chapter has one activity, a quick write for you to do after you're done. I also, so if we go into chapter 1, this Avid bell work examples came from the Avid site. And what's really cool about this PowerPoint is that you can go in and you can modify these slides to use them in your class. So down here, chapter 1, participant quick write. Each chapter has a quick write. So after you read, you'll click on the quick write, and they're pretty short. So this one says, what words would you use to describe a classroom that adopts an apprentice mindset? So you click put your answers in here, and then they're going to show up down below. So if I say growth mindset, and click, down here it's going to show up. If I want to get rid of it, I can clear it out. So I'd like you to do that. And then chapter 2, chapter 2. These are the educator and student resources from the Avid site. This is your quick write, and it looks exactly the same. It has a question for you to answer. You put your response here, and then it's going to pop down here for everybody to see. So every chapter has one of those. For the 7:16 meeting, we're going to read up to the end of chapter 3, and then for the 7:30 meeting, we're going to read chapter 4, 5, and 6. So I hope this helps. I'm really looking forward to working with you and learning from you this month, and also working with you to implement some of the best strategies from this book throughout the year. I'm always available through text messages and email. So if you want to chat, I'm available. Yet again, have a great 4th. Bye-bye now.